been missing for like 2-3 weeks now, but yeah, I've been busy with work and like just there was a death in my family. RIP to my grandfather, but we're not gonna get into that. So I'm back with another wig install, and this is a wig made by Flawless Wigs by Mocha. You can find her on IG, Flawless Wigs by Mocha, and her website is flawlesswigsbymocha.com. I have used her hair before, and guys, when I tell you her hair is bomb. This is actually a wig made by her, and I'm pretty sure this is her hair that made the wig too. It came in 1B, and I believe it was a body wave wig, and it was 20 inches. Yeah, it was 20 inches. This is a 5x5 closure wig, but yeah, I went ahead and I bleached it twice because I was trying to get, let me show y'all what I was trying to get, because I'm still not a pro at bleaching either. So let me see if I still have the picture on my phone. Let me get this. I don't know if y'all can see that. It might be too bright, but I was trying to get this. Yeah, I was trying to get this right here, and I got this right here. All right, so I'm not a pro at coloring, as you can see. Y'all can see like it was bleached twice, and this is, hello, I cut it too, like I trimmed it down because I was trying to do something different. Like I always do long hair and stuff, so it was a 20. This is probably what you would call a 16-inch right now. The wig comes with adjustable straps. It also comes with 3 combs. I don't like combs, so I try to take all of them off. I only succeeded at taking off one, but there are other wigs where the combs like have irritated me, and for some reason with this wig, even though the comb is in it, it does not irritate me at all. See, like it fits so snug. Normally, y'all, I bleach. Normally I bleach my lace, but I've been so lazy lately. Like the last wig I installed, the Yolisa one, this one, I have not been bleaching them, honey. I'm sorry, but like it's just a hassle. It's a process. And like I was gonna bleach this one, but when the knots are so fine, y'all, there's really no need to bleach it. So just brush it out so y'all can see. Y'all see that, bro? It's so flowy, like, and it was bleached twice. Y'all know when y'all bleach hair and it just be stiff. You see that? That's it. No glue, nothing, like, and it's looking so good already. Yo, literally, matter of fact, I might not even glue this down because I don't think you need to. There's no need to. So you know what? I thought I was gonna use this glue. Y'all don't even gotta use the glue, y'all. Do y'all see that though? Do y'all see that? Matter of fact, you can't see that because it's melted. No glue, no got to be nothing. Just a attempted bald cap, bro. Like,
look good. I mean, it's still rough. I'm still learning how to shape and all. But y'all, when I'm open for business, y'all better come support your girl. For real.
Y'all, this hair is so long. Like, I could run my hands through. She sent me hair before and I've used it and I was a very, very, very satisfied customer. Like, so I'm gonna insert some pictures somewhere in this video of the hair she sent me before that I worked with. I made it into a wig. She sent me, I believe this was her tropical curly hair, and I'm not sure what the lengths were, but I bleached it one time and it did so well with bleaching, and the curl pattern is a curly curl pattern. And can you guys believe when I bleached it, like the curl pattern went right back to its regular point? And then I put some red dye on it, and girl, that picture got so much likes. So many people saved it. So many people, like, AliExpress got that picture for one of their wigs, and I'm just like, whoever bought that wig, and it's like over 1,000 people who bought that wig too. Whoever bought that wig, they literally got catfish, because that is not where I got it from. So if you see this picture, if you see that picture on any hair website that is not Flawless Wigs by Mocha, just know that ain't the right wig. Alright, that was not the wig I was wearing. Probably got a dent. Y'all seen what it's looking like. Y'all seen what it's looking like. You seen what it's looking like. Alright, just comb it out a little. It'll fall into place. All opinions on this hair is mine. I don't get paid to talk good for nobody's stuff, and I will never promote any product and want to talk good about it if it's not good. If it's not good, I'm gonna tell y'all. So y'all will always get the truth from me. If it's bad, I'm gonna tell y'all. If it's good, I'm gonna tell y'all, because I would hate to give y'all false advertisement, have y'all waste y'all money and buy things and it's not what you expected. Because I would be tight. I know I would be tight. So, you know, like I said, all opinions are mine. This is no wax stick, no glue, no got to be sprayed, just the wig laying on my head with an adjustable strap in the back. Normally it take me like 2 hours to install my wigs, y'all, but this legit only took minutes. Just minutes. This is the end of this video. Just wanted to show y'all the greatness from Flawless Wigs by Mocha. Girl, you are bomb. Your hair is bomb. Your wigs are bomb, and that is 100% like the truth, okay? Because So guys, y'all have to get your hands on a wig by her. Like honestly, like if you have a wig collection and you don't have a Flawless Wigs by Mocha wig in your collection, what is you doing? Like honey, what is you doing? Bleached twice, honey, twice. Do you see that? You get what you pay for. And another thing about her website, like she has sizzle on her website. So if you are a person who wants to pay installments interest free, you can do that. Like it's amazing. Sizzle, affordable prices, great quality, great quality. It's really like greatness. So like I said, y'all, please go and invest in one of her wigs, because listen, her customer service is great as well, so you won't be disappointed with that. You know, right here can probably be melted a little bit more, but honestly this is really good. Like for something with no got to be, no, you know, no glue or anything, this is a really good outcome. But like, yeah, y'all, Mocha, you did your thing, girl. You did your thing. And thank you all for watching. Thank you to my subscribers. If you are new, welcome, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. Bye.